required.
Ma'am, should we write it?
No. You don't need to write anything.
Ma'am, can we discuss the answer paper of the previous subjective test?
I'm showing, that we will do. Okay, that we will. Now see, I'm showing you the quiz here. Okay, I'll make it full screen. You are given 20 questions and you will be given 8 seconds to answer that. Okay? All right?
Okay, ma'am.
So now I'll see who gives the answer first. Among both of you, who gives the answer first, right? Okay, so quickly you have to see. Otherwise, right answer will be shown here also at the end of 8 seconds. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, and go.
I can't see it.
Oh, just a second. Yes, now you can see.
Ma'am,
It's -4.
-4.
Keep giving your points to yourself. 1 point was correct. Mark 1 for yourself.
Ma'am, 10.
Are you marking the points?
Ma'am, one sec.
Ma'am, 20. -20.
Ma'am, -12.
Ma'am, -12.
The screen box is showing you the correct answer.
-22.
Ma'am, -22.
Be fast.
-10.
Ma'am, 10.
10.
10.
Keep giving points to yourself.
Ma'am, -7.
Next, fast.
Ma'am, -30.
-70.
Ma'am, -30. Oh, sorry, -70.
-70.
Ma'am, 13. Ma'am, 1.
0.
Sorry, 0. 0.
Minus and minus becomes plus, no?
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Ma'am, it's 27. Ma'am, it's -16.
How to multiply?
Minus plus.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, -28.
Good.
-80.
Ma'am, 72. -72.
-72.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, +9.
Oh.
Very nice. Be careful about the signs.
Ma'am, it's -6. 6, ma'am.
-6.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, +3.
3 plus 3.
Ma'am, it's -9.
-9.
Ma'am, ma'am, it's 5 plus 5.
Done. Good, very nice. So you liked it?
Ma'am, a little bit. I liked it.
Yes?
ma'am.
Liked it. I liked it.
Okay, and be sure, don't be doubtful. Okay? So how many points you got?
Ma'am, I just got 10. I got 10.
You got 10 points. Okay, out of 20. Neha, how many points you got?
Ma'am, 16.
15. Okay. Okay, we'll plan some more quizzes like that. Okay.
Yes,
So this is your paper. You were saying no to discuss the paper.
yes, ma'am.
See here. This is the paper. Neha, your marks are 23 out of 30. Now you can see where you have gone wrong and what you have done correct. So that's -59 -35. So here it was. Okay, your answer is correct. But only thing why I have underlined this, this is because uh, you should not write like this 59 plus 35. Although in mentally we are adding them, but while writing, you should always keep the sign as it is. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Should not change the sign. There is no way we can change the sign. No, it's -59 and -35 only. So sign will be that only. Okay, minus and minus. But only thing in our mind, we know that minus into minus is plus. So operation we have to do is plus. So we are adding. Okay, so that's correct on your part. I've given you full marks here.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
only thing is you have to keep these minus signs here. Okay, so
Yes,
this
ma'am.
was the first part. The second part is -9 minus -14. So minus minus is plus. So you can written here properly. That's correct. Okay, so
Okay.
it's okay. Now second question two, first part. -28, -34 and 12. So that's -62 plus 12. So that's this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is correct. Your second part is here you have done. So this is
Yes, ma'am.
-20, -10, -5. So that's -30. Here you have done it correct. Okay. So now see this additive inverse. Neha, additive inverse of -14 will be
Ma'am, 14.
changed the opposite of -14. No, it will be +14. Okay, you don't have to write 0. 0 is always the answer that comes 0. But additive inverse of -14 is always +14. Inverse,
Oh.
additive inverse. Okay,
Ma'am, I thought the answer.
whatever inverse that we are adding is called additive inverse. Now 8 additive inverse of +8. So
Yes.
+8 का additive inverse क्या होगा?
-8.
You get it? It
Yes,
will
ma'am.
not be 0.
Yeah.
It's just that 8 and +8 and -8, when you are adding it gives you 0. But
Okay.
additive inverse of +8 is -8. Additive inverse of -14 is +14. Okay, same number with the reverse sign.
Yes,
Reverse
ma'am.
means opposite sign. Okay, so that
Yes,
is additive inverse.
Yes.
Okay, now using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than -2. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's go down. This is all correct. Okay. Now here is find the value. So this is when you are taking out something out of this modular sign, it becomes positive. Okay, so first one is correct. In the second one, see Neha, you have done 1 minus 3 minus minus becomes plus. So all this is inside the mode. All this calculation is inside the mod sign, is it? So it becomes 1 minus 3 plus 5 inside the mod sign. Okay, so 1 minus 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, and anything that comes out of the mod will be positive amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Get it?
Ma'am, so first we need to solve the question in the mod,
Yes,
simplify it, and then we need to change it.
absolutely. So whatever first is given inside the mod, that we have to work out first.
Okay.
As we do when we are given some bracket. So we always perform the inside bracket part, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way inside the mod, if you are given so many things, you must work them out first. And then you must do the mod part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now next is Bhavesh. Bhavesh, you can see
Ma'am, I
your
know my marks and my mistakes, ma'am. I
uh,
already know them.
25 out of 30. Bhavesh, beta, please, you must send the PDF. Last time also I had told you, you
Ma'am,
sent,
I complained to my mother to send the like I complained to her, but she's still sending like that.
but Mitchell, please tell your mama, see how is it coming? It's so difficult to check, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Isn't that, are you able to read this? You'll have to turn your neck like this and like this. No, it's difficult, no? So same way, it's difficult for me also. Okay? How will you check your mistake? It's difficult to read. Okay, so same way here, you have done your calculation here. This is 3. Okay. So your mistake was here in this question number 2, first part. Okay. It's difficult to see how you're turning your neck to see. So same way when I had to, I was facing difficulty in doing that. But still I managed to do. Okay, Bhavesh, please tell Mama that the image should be straight and it should be in a PDF. Okay,
Ma'am, what do you mean by PDF?
PDF is you convert it to PDF. Mama knows that. Okay, tell Mama to send it in PDF. This is the image form you have sent. Okay, so let's go back. We were doing the fractions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We were doing the book questions or some other extra questions.
Ma'am, book questions.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
We were doing these types of fractions, right? We did about proper fractions, we studied about improper fractions, and then we studied about mixed fractions also, right?
yes, ma'am.
And we were doing some questions on this. Okay. So, are you done with these questions? Draw number line and locate points on them. Can you do this?
Ma'am, we didn't do it. We'll do it now.
Yes, please do this one. Please do the B part. 1 by 8 you have to locate on the number line, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. So what will you do in this question? See, you know that 8 by 8 is 1, is it? So that means all these numbers lie between 0 and 1. Yes? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from 0 to 1, whatever is the denominator, you will divide this 0 to 1 number line into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 8 equal parts. So each part is now 1 by 8, 2 by 8, and similarly so. So like this, you have to locate the points there. 1 by 8 is here, 2 by 8 is here, 3 by 8 will be here, and 7 by 8. Just locate the points on the number line. Do for B part also and do for C part also. Okay, children? Please do.
Ma'am, we need to do both A and B.
Yes.
B,
Yeah.
A, B, C.
Yes.
We need to do all 3.
Yes, yes, do it. Do it, make a number line first. Do it on separate number lines.
Mom, I did not understand how to mark on the A1.
Yes, Bhavesh? Yes, beta?
Mom, I did not understand how to mark the fractions on A1 on the number line.
Fractions on the number line. Okay, see this? See the one I'm showing you. Just now I showed you, no? From
Ma'am,
0 to 1.
not B and C. A.
A also. Okay, I'll show you A also. Now see this. This is 3 by 8 and so on. Okay, 7 by 8 will be here. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2. Look here. When you take this, see this 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 only. Okay, 4 by 4 will be 1. So again, you have to divide this from 0 to 1 into how many parts? 4 equal parts. So that's 1, 2, 3 lines. So these are 4 equal parts now. Okay. Okay. So this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and this is 1, which is 4 by 4. Okay. 1 by 4 is here, 3 by 4 is here. Now you are finding where is 1 by 2. So when you have this 2 by 4, 2 by 4 is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is 1 by 2 only, no? Okay. So 1 by 2 is this. Okay. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Right? Do the C part also. Neha, are you done with all the 3 parts? Yes.
Ma'am, I did the A1 in the last class.
Okay. Okay. So
I'm
do.
doing B and C now.
Okay. Do beta. Okay. Yes. Good, Neha. Good beta. I can see. Yes, beta. Okay, Neha. Now you can do this. Second question. Express the following as mixed fraction. Okay. You remember how to do the mixed fraction? You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
20 by 3. Divide 20 by 3. Okay. And divisor into quotient plus remainder. You remember that, no? QR by 2. Yes? Do. Okay, for this time, your Sunday test will be objective, children. And you are given elementary shapes. Okay, for your objective test, you are given understanding elementary shapes. Right, beta? Simple equations you will afterwards. In maybe in your next Sunday test will be subjective. You will be given simple equations in that. For this time, you have only elementary shapes. So please revise that. And in our one day, in on Friday's class, we will be revising elementary shapes topic. Okay. And I'll give you one revision worksheet also on elementary shapes so that you can revise also.
Okay.
So you enjoyed the quiz today?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow again I'll look for another quiz for you. Okay. Actually I was looking for simple equations, but fortunately I found for integers, so I thought of showing you that. Okay. I'll look for more quiz. Bhavesh, are you done with the number line question? Okay. So you show me your work. Lift up your notebook. Show me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Whatever numbers you are asked to locate, no, you must put circle on them, as I have done here, no? Okay, Bhavesh? So you must circle them so that, those points are highlighted. And it becomes easy for your teacher, whichever teacher is that, school teacher or any teacher, to locate.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am,
Yes, Neha?
uh, can you hear me?
Huh?
I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, with you. No? Thank you.
Mom, should I do the third question? Mom, I can't hear you.
I'm so sorry, I was on mute. Okay, now to convert it to improper fraction, see what you have here. You have this QRD, right? Divisor multiplied by quotient, and then this result added with the remainder. Is it? Yes, children? Neha and Bhavesh? Okay.
Yes, mom.
So now this is 4 into 7, that's 28. Remainder will be as it is. Sorry, the divisor denominator will be as it is. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 will be 29, 30, and 31. So that will be 31 by 4. Okay. Then the denominator will not change its place. Okay. So carry on, please do. We had discussed these questions in the previous class also. If you want me to discuss more on this, we'll do it. Yes, Bhavish? You'll do?
Ma'am, I already knew these.
Very nice. Good, Bichi. So please do this. Do it in your notebook. Okay, tell me your answer for the B part. Neha, tell me answer for the B part.
Ma'am, which
B.
ma'am, which B?
B part. B part. Question number 3, B. Tell me, Neha, what do you get for the B1?
Mom, the B1 answer is 41 upon 7.
Good. Bhavesh, tell me the C1.
Ma'am, I'm not done with C1.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm not done with C1.
You have not done the C1, so do it now. Do it now, it will hardly take a second. 2 into 6 is 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So that's 17 by 6. Okay. Yes, Bhavish, it doesn't take much time. Tell me the next one, D part now.
Ma'am, D part.
Yes, D part.
Ma'am, 53 by 5.
Very good. Okay, 53 by 5. Neha, tell me the next one, E part.
Mom, 66 by 7.
Very good. Bhavesh, F part. What is 9 8s?
Ma'am, 72 plus 4.
So that's what?
Ma'am, 76 by 9.
76 by 9. Okay. Good. Okay, so the next topic is equivalent fractions. Now, what are equivalent fractions? Now, just now, Bhavesh was asking me, Bhavesh, from ma'am, where will I get 1 by 2 from here? Just now you were asking me, no? In this previous question, ma'am, from where will I get this 1 by 2? Is it this one?
Ma'am, equivalent fractions are simple. We divide.
So you just know you were asking me. So what we did, I had 2 by 4 with me in the number line. So I found the equivalent fraction of this just by dividing it by 2. I got this as 1 by 2. Is it? So now this fraction is equivalent to this fraction. Is it? When I
Yes, ma'am.
divide this with the same number, numerator and denominator with the same number, whatever fraction I get, that is the equivalent fraction of the original one. So there are two ways of getting equivalent fraction. One is by dividing and another one is by multiplying. So suppose if I have, this 2 by 4 and I say, suppose I multiply this with 3, both numerator and denominator by 3. So this will become 6, numerator into numerator 6. 4 into 3 becomes 12. So 6 by 12 is equivalent fraction of 2 by 4.
Ma'am,
Okay.
means if we divide to 6 by 12 with the same, with 3 by 3, we'll get 2 by 4, which is equivalent to 6 by 12.
Okay, so whatever number we divide with or we multiply with, we get equivalent fraction. Okay, when we multiply numbers, suppose if I have number 1, this, I can multiply this with 2, I can multiply this with 3, I can do with 4, 5, 6, 7, I can find as many multiples. Okay, to find the number of multiples are infinite multiples, right? Infinite multiples I can find by multiplying by 2, by 100, by 1000, by lakhs. So I can get infinite multiples of this. Okay, but if I have to find equivalent fraction by dividing, then I can get very limited amount of this. Okay, okay, are you understanding? Suppose
Yes,
this
ma'am.
I have 2 by 4. If I divide this by 2 by 2, if I divide this by 2, both numerator and denominator, I will get 1 by 2. Now further, I cannot divide this with any number. This is the lowest fraction. Okay, are you getting? So that means
Yes, ma'am.
when I have to find equivalent fraction by dividing, I get some finite numbers only. Some finite numbers, okay? But if I have to find equivalent fraction by multiplying, then I can get infinite multiples. Okay, beta? Okay, so we can get equivalent fractions by dividing also, by multiplying also. Okay, I'll show you with some examples.
Mom, can we write the definition for equivalent fractions in our notebook?
Okay, you can write the definition. Okay. So please write this. Please write for equivalent fraction, the definition. Give the heading equivalent fraction. So the time is up now. You can just note down the definition and the example, okay? The more explanation part I'll give you in the next class tomorrow, right? Example can be written this, 1 by 3. Okay, please write down. To find equivalent fraction of a given fraction, to find an equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we multiply we multiply both the numerator and the denominator, both the numerator and the denominator, numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by the same number. Okay, we multiply both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by same number. For example, write 1 by 3. For example, write 1 by 3. And 1 by 3, when you multiply with 2, both numerator and denominator, you get 2 by 6. And when you multiply both numerator and denominator with 3, you get 3 by 9. Similarly, when you multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, you get 4 by 12, and so on. Okay. Okay, and this way you can find many more equivalent fractions. Right? Okay, done. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So just write this for homework. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. Take this 2 for homework. Quickly note down the fractions. Write 5 equivalent fractions of each of the following. Write 5 equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Okay, take all the 4. Don't take only 2, take all 4 fractions. Okay. Quickly, the class time is over, beta. I have another class waiting. So, done. So you have
Done, ma'am.
case, you have to find 5 equivalent fractions. How will you do that? First multiplying with 2, both numerator and denominator, then with 3, then with 4, then with 5, like this. Okay. Right? That's how you will get 5 equivalent fractions for each type.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Bhavesh, done. Okay, children, so I'll stop sharing now. Okay, thank you for today.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, beta. Bye-bye. Then